Yo, what is up guys, this is Beres Inferno bringing you guys a Pokemon Showdown. I had a battle against a random guy and it's a UU match, and sorry for not uploading real battle and stuff because my Nintendo DS is something wrong with it. And I also want to congratulate my best friend Bobo23 for getting 30 subscribers, and I had a 15 subscribers, which is quite good for a 14-year-old boy, and I'm a little happy. So yeah, this is a short match, not really short but quite short, short and simple match, and I really hope you guys will enjoy it because I quite enjoy it. So yeah, let's just start the battle. I started with Ambipom and he started with Nova just to get the heal. So he switched out to his Hitmontop to bring down my attack boost. What attack boost? My attack. And so Faker won't do that much. So I thought he was going for the close combat, but I was wrong. He went for the toxic, and my Miss Majors can't really survive that long. So I'm just gonna nasty plot once and went straight for the Shadow Ball, and he will Shadow Ball me and just kill me off with the toxic damage. So up next is my Ambipom. He'll go for a protect, so my fake out won't really do much, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna return and finish the Glaceon off. So now it's 5-all. He got the head start, which is sad. Payback. I went for the payback, and sadly the curse body activated, and I was forced to switch out because I can literally do nothing without the payback. So went for the Kingdra. He get to set out a 3 layers or 2 layers of spikes. Yes. So now Kingdra, his serve is disabled, so I switch out to my Darmanitan, and he will leech seed me and absorb a lot of my HP. So I think the Flare Blitz is very obvious. It's too obvious. So I'm just gonna switch out, and luckily for me it is not the Flash Fire Arcanine. So yeah, up next on my Sableye, and he will whisk. My tongue twisted again. Will whisk me, so I'm just gonna trick him and give him an Iron Ball, and his Flare Blitz didn't finish me off, but sadly I was burned. So up next on my Ambipom, and he will switch out to his Hitmontop again, and he will fake out me. I will fake out him, I mean. So his HP is down, and he Sucker Punch me, which is very bad. So return didn't kill him off, almost kill him off. The heal almost killed us, so I'm just gonna let my Ambipom die from the heal. So yeah, now just a sudden lag, I don't know why. Whatever happens, I know that I went for the surf and kill the Frostless. Yeah, the Frostless, and he went for Leech Seed and whatever it is. So I was forced to switch out to my Victini, and he went for the Substitute. So I'm just gonna V-create him and just let the Substitute fade. So he went for the Leech Seed, so I know that another V-create will definitely finish him off. So now the score now it's 3-2. So I'm leading, which is looking good. But his Arcanine, which have extreme speed, killed my Darmanitan. I shouldn't have watered my Darmanitan. I don't know why I for it. So he went to his Hitmontop, and I went for the Zen Headbutt and finish him off. So just one more Pokemon left and it will be easy. So Zen Headbutt which did 20%, and he misses the Will-O-Wisp, luckily. So he will almost finish me with extreme speed, and another the hail will just finish me off, and I can literally do nothing now because it's way faster with the extreme speed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'm really sorry for not posting that much videos because of freaking internet. can't really I can't really get the internet from my DS to Wi-Fi here in my house. Yeah, whatever. So goodbye guys. Peace out bros. Chocolate chip melon.